While popular investment hubs like Dubai and Bali offer modest returns, smart investors are now turning their attention to a continent brimming with untapped potential: Africa. Africa is emerging as a prime destination, boasting superior rental yields, explosive startup growth, and strong government support, far surpassing saturated markets. For instance, prime cities like Kigali, Rwanda, offer rental yields of 8 to 12%, and Lagos, Nigeria, can reach 10 to 15%, driven by rapid urbanization and housing shortages. Venture capital inflows, though fluctuating, show strong resilience, with $1.2 billion recorded in the first quarter of 2024, primarily focused on the booming fintech sector. Governments across the continent are actively incentivizing investment through tax breaks, special economic zones, and innovation hubs. Africa's macro trends paint a compelling picture. A population of 1.4 billion, the world's youngest, with a median age of 19.7 years. The middle class is projected to grow significantly, reaching 1.1 billion by 2060, fueling consumer demand and economic expansion. Smartphone penetration stands at 61%, enabling a digital economy valued at $180 billion by 2025, transforming industries and daily life. GDP growth averaged 4.1% pre-COVID and rebounded to 3.8% in 2023, consistently outpacing global averages. As Masai Nagai, Norfund's CEO, aptly puts it, Africa is the last frontier of high-growth opportunities. Rwanda, ranked second in Africa for ease of doing business, offers 8 to 10% rental yields in Kigali and boasts the Kigali Innovation City. Kenya is a fintech powerhouse, home to M-Pesa, which processes $300 billion in transactions annually for 50 million users. Nairobi yields 8 to 12% and is home to Silicon Savannah and the ambitious Konza Techno City project. Ghana's real estate market is booming, with Accra seeing 10 to 14% yields, supported by the Ghana Investment Promotion Center. The country is also attracting significant foreign direct investment, with $4.8 billion approved in 2022, particularly in oil, gas, and agriculture tech. Nigeria, Africa's largest economy with a $477 billion GDP and 220 million people, is a hotbed for startups like Flutterwave. Lagos offers impressive rental yields of 12 to 15%, making it a highly attractive market despite currency fluctuations. South Africa, a mature market, boasts the JSE, Africa's largest stock exchange, and serves as a gateway for 20% of the continent's trade. Cape Town offers solid rental yields of 7 to 9%, and the country is experiencing a significant boom in renewable energy projects. However, investors must be aware of potential risks, such as currency volatility, bureaucracy, and infrastructure gaps. For example, Nigeria faced a 50% Naira depreciation in 2023, and starting a business can take 131 days compared to Rwanda's 6. Infrastructure issues like power outages can occur up to 200 days a year in some regions of Nigeria, and political risks are present. Corruption perception remains a challenge, with an average index of 33 out of 100, necessitating careful due diligence. Mitigate these risks by partnering with local experts, securing insurance, and diversifying your investments across different regions and sectors. To take action, consider visiting key cities like Kigali during conferences or Nairobi for events like Demo Africa. Network at forums such as the Africa CEO Forum and leverage government programs like the Rwanda Development Board. Partnering with local entities is crucial, as some sectors require 51% local ownership, ensuring cultural and market understanding. You can also start small by investing in REITs or venture capital funds like TLCOM, which manages a $150 million fund. Africa offers unparalleled opportunities for those ready to explore its dynamic markets and contribute to its growth story. But how do you navigate this complex yet rewarding landscape? This is where Profitable Nomads comes in. We're not just another newsletter, we are a private network of seasoned investors and entrepreneurs with deep experience in Africa's private equity and tech sectors. Our members have built and scaled businesses across the continent. Through our network, we've cultivated high-level government connections that unlock doors and cut through bureaucracy, providing you with an unparalleled advantage. We provide our members with proven frameworks for success, the same ones we've used to generate significant returns. These are battle-tested strategies, not theories. The real insights are shared within our community. To get a glimpse, subscribe to our exclusive newsletter at ProfitableNomads.com. You'll get access to analysis you won't find anywhere else. For those ready to go deeper, we host exclusive, members-only events and workshops. And for the most serious investors, we invite you to apply to join our private network. Go to ProfitableNomads.com to take the next step.